Hi guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I will tell you the layout menu, some of the important things that are in the layout menu. So let's start. First of all, go to insert menu. After going insert a tables, simple table. After inserting, you can see that design and layout menus are shown here. Click on layout menu. Layout menu. The things that I discuss is draw. First of all, you draw a simple table. For example, you want it simply draw it. Here you can simply draw a table you want. For example, that's type of you want that type of table. Here you would draw a table. I control the undo. And next option is table raiser. You can raise a table border. For example, I want to raise table borders here. That's raw border. Click first of all select a razor. After selecting, you can see that razor are shown here, and go to the place where you want to remove the border. For example, I remove this type border. Click and clicking, you can see that the border is removed. And the eraser tool is used for remove the table borders. The next thing is delete. Here delete, you can delete cells, delete columns, delete rows, and delete tables. Delete cells, for example, that is called cells. For example, that is called select. First of all, select delete. After deleting, I want to delete here. Go to the cells where you want to delete, and after going click delete cells and OK. You can see that the first cell is deleted. You can also able to delete columns, delete rows, delete all tables by just clicking here. And next table is insert above. For example, if you want to insert above, insert here place, you want to here up place, you want to add or two rows or more rows. First of all, go to the point where you want to the insert. For example, I want to insert the rows on the above side. After selecting, go click on insert above. You can see that insert. If you want to, for example, I write here admin 1 2 2 3. For example, I want to here insert above side to insert the new rows. Select here, and after selecting, click on insert above. You can see that the new rows will be inserted. In insert above, and that's rows and columns option, you will also able to insert more than one rows. For example, first of all, select where row you, where rows you want to select it. For example, I want to select all four rows. Select it, and after selecting, click on insert above. If you want to inserting rows in the above position, click on insert above. You can see that four more rows are inserting in the above position. Here you can simply insert many rows and many columns. The next option is insert left. If you want to insert left columns, then click on insert left or insert right. You can see that the insert right column are inserted. That's a simple function. One thing that's very important is merge. Merge is very important things in Word 2013. For example, if I went to the cells converted to single cells. For example, I want to remove the border and remove its all things, and it convert to simple one cells. First of all, select the cells where you want to the merge, and after selecting, go here merge cells. Click on merge cells. You can see that the all borders is merging by simply clicking on it. You can also split cells into many forms. For example, I select this, and after selecting this, I want to split cells and click on split cells. You can also here you can type a number of columns and number of rows. After, you can see that the rows is split into two rows. You can also able to the split tables. First of all, select the place, and after selecting, click on split tables. Here you after selecting, click on split tables. You can see that the table is divided into two parts. Here the simple function of split. And the next thing is alignment. You know alignment. For example, here you write a text. For example, I write Khwaja IT training. After inserting, I want to move this text into the center point. Click on this legend center. You can see that this simply click, and that's going on center position. The next thing that is most important is text direction. You will also able to change the text direction. For example, here first of all, I convert into merge cells into simple one, and after selecting, I write it some words. For example, I write created by Khwaja Basit. Yes, I meant to convert this text into the direction that written is left to right. I meant to change its direction by top to bottom. First of all, select the text. After selecting, you can see that text direction. Click on text direction. You can see that the text direction is changing, and you will also able to, there are many types of text direction. Here you can change the text direction. Here simply you can click on this, and change the text direction. Here things that's a text, that's a function of text direction. Now the thing that I tell you next tutorial. Okay, best of luck. Khuda Hafiz.